Alright guys, welcome back to another video with the TK. In this video I am going to show you how to create registration form without any backend work. Just simple registration form which will looks genuine in real and can be used future for any database connectivity. Yeah, it's pretty much it can do it. This is the code, just I am run you. Before that I will close the demo. Just a minute guys, I will close the demo. Yeah, this is the code, just I am running here. I think it will take some time to execute. Let's see what are the widgets I am using. Yeah, this is the registration form I am using here. In that some labels, text boxes, radio buttons, and then drop down list boxes. We will see onto the coding part, no problem. Okay, once click the submit button, we will move on to the one page like your details are submitted successfully. Then come back to the coding. This is the coding. Evenly I will explain the designing concept also, so that it will be easy to us. Okay, just I am run it here. First you can import the tkinter, and then I am importing message box. Root.geometry of 500 and x 500. This is the size of the page. Root.title. This is the title of the page. Label 0. Just label 0 containing the registration form. I hope you can see the center registration form. This is the label 0. And label 1 I am just text here in full name. In that label 1 I will add one text boxes. So entry 1 equal to entry of root, which position you want place, that place you can give the like x-y coordinates. So we will move on to the label 2. Label 2 root, label 2 text is the email. Yeah, I want email. You want email one text boxes also. So you import one text boxes. Same codings, but x and y coordinates only different. Then we will move on to the label 3. In label 3 I am text is gentle. In that gentle I don't want to the text boxes, just I want like radio button. If you create radio button, just first you can create one variables. In that variables you need to store that text values. You can see the coding like radio button of root text male or female. These are the radio buttons. Okay, we have to import the one more label. In that country you can see the I'm just one text box, like this is not a text boxes, this is the list boxes. In that list boxes I will create the drop down list boxes. What are the country given, you just give the RA, you just edit the country also. This is the I am creating one list. In that list I am containing the list of countries. So after that I am storing the string variables. You can see the drop list of options menu, and then drop list of configure. Finally you can set the select your country. Okay, in left side I will fix all those things whether it works or not. Let's check. Okay, you can see the label 4. This is in that label 4 is containing programming. In programming you can see the you want to select more than one option, so that time you can fix the check button. Like you need 3. I am just using the 3 check button. Text equal to Java, text equal to Python, text equal to J2EE, and then store some variables. Okay, store in different variables, variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. Okay, these are the text boxes. Finally you can give one button. Once fill the all those details, finally you can give the submit button, like button of text equal to submit, and then close the window. After that I am just creating one notification, just message box dot show info of want. Just I am type here in your details are successfully submitted. Okay, that's it guys. These are the codings. You can see the codings, try it yourself. Yeah, in last step you can see the message box dot show info, like you once click the submit button you will move on to the next. uh, Hello user, your details are successfully submitted. In the page I'm just giving the config like hash code values. You don't want any color, so leave it here. Yeah, just I'm click the all those things, mail India, and then I know Java, Python, J2W also. So once click the submit button you will see the one more page like your details are successfully submitted. That's it guys. Okay, thank you guys.